Hey guys, tonight I applied a fake snow to my tree. You can only do this on real trees, and it's with a bar of ivory soap. So I'll give you step-by-step directions if you're interested in doing this on your tree. Here's our cheese grater. We're going to use that. We're going to do the smaller setting because the soap will hydrate faster. We got our ivory bar soap. We're going to grate it into here, and then we're going to cover it with hot water and let it sit for a few minutes until it's more of a gelatinous state. So this is the mixture after we added the water. It's pretty thick, and we're just going to be watching to check if there's any hard lumps still. Otherwise, if it's all hydrated, then we're ready to get into the mixer. Alright, so we're just going to pour a little bit in the mixer because it puffs up quite a bit. So I'm just going to fill the bottom, and then we're going to beat that up until it's small little bubbles. And I'll show you what that looks like.
It's done right now.
Parker, you gonna help? Alright, so now we just take a little bit on our spatula.
And rub it on the fish.
Alright, yep. And then just kind of push it on. Ooh. And it's okay because it can just look like dumped on snow. Right. And I try to get some a little bit farther back too.
Kind of push it back. There, you don't want it to be that far. That don't look like snow.
And we always fully decorate our tree before we do this too. Definitely do it after your lights because it'll make a mess.
Did we do it before your lights, did you say?
Or do it after your lights. Did I say before?
It's really messy, so you should probably do it after your lights.
Mm-hmm.
It's messy.
Yep, do it after your lights and your decorations. Alright, so that's the look we're going for. We'll show you when we're done. So I've got a little bit of the tree done here. A couple of tips though. Try to get a few spots that go farther back. It'll give it more dimension, but it's looking pretty good. You also want to put it on pretty lightly. If you push too hard, you end up seeing the needles through the soap here. So it's starting to dry too. So we got just the bottom done, but you can see how it just really adds a lot. So here's an example of when you need more water. This is just kind of slimy and not puffing up. So add some more water. There's too much soap in there. Also, the stuff that we made at first really got slimy like that. So just add some more water when that happens. So we're back to the more fluffy texture here. That's what you're looking for. We have it complete. So just a reminder that this is only for a real tree. But doesn't that look cool? What do you guys think? Are you gonna give it a try? Thanks for tuning in, and take care.